If you like Microsoft Edge and you like things getting better and you're on mobile, this is for you. Hi and welcome. You're new here, welcome. I hope we can earn your subscription. So Microsoft Edge Canary has just added the Discover function to the browser. And this is only in the Canary build, and you must enable it. This video here is going to show you how to use it and how to enable it. So give it a watch, and I'll catch you on the backside. Okay, the situation. You're going trout fishing with me. I've told you it's important that you understand all of the North Carolina state regulations concerning trout fishing. Specifically, we will be fishing in delayed harvest trout waters. So you go to the wildlife site and start checking the regulations, and specifically, you're going to look for delayed harvest. And once you find delayed harvest, you say, well, what is this? So you've read this, but you would still like to understand what delayed harvest trout waters means. So let's see how we can use Discover to learn a little bit more about delayed harvest trout waters. So the first thing you want to do is highlight delayed harvest trout waters, and you see the normal pop-up for copy paste. Down below, you will see that Bing has popped up. Let's take a closer look at that. Now there is a handle at the top so that you could drag it up, or you can touch it and it'll pop up. I choose to touch it and up it pops. If you have used the Edge Discover sidebar on the desktop, then this process looks familiar to you. You highlight, up pops the Discover to ask you if you want to send the text to chat. You will see a little information up top that you can read, but really what you want to do is send a text. So, yes, I want to send it to chat, so I will select the send button. There are some various quirks, including sometimes not working. I need to scroll up a little bit, and it asks, what do you want to do with the text? So what I'll do is select explain. A few moments later, so now we have an explanation with some sources to where it got the information from. This will work with any selected text that you send, but keep in mind this is in the Canary build. This is the early stages, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. To enable this feature is really easy. Select the tabs button in the browser, then select new, and in the search bar type in edge : // and then enter. This is going to go to the URL for experiments. You can see that mine is enabled, but you will not see it in yours up at the top. So what you need to do up here is search for Discover. Really easy. So just type in Discover, run your search, and there it is. And you will probably see that yours says default. Mine is enabled. You can select that option and enable it, and it will be available to you. Here you can see the options of enabled, default, and disabled. That's it. Okay, that's it. It's a nice function. I think this is one of the better browser features one could come across. It is really a huge step forward, I think, for users, in that as you're reading things and you come across words or concepts you do not understand, you can quickly get that explained to you without leaving the article or whatever it is you're in at the time. Thanks for watching.